Guys, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but hold on. Where the heck is that? Oh, there it is. Dude, there's like a big bird up there of some sort. It's moving its bird up there of some sort. It's moving its wings. Right. See where those two silver things are? Right above it. There's like a giant bird up there. What? Oh, fly, you majestic creature. Okay, guys, so we've seen that bird. There's a giant bird somewhere. Not these guys again! Stay off my house!
A few moments later.
Hey, what'd I just tell you? Stay off the house! So I think they're a couple, and he is talking smack.
Lay the smack down.
So these guys, they gotta be a couple as well. Yeah, one's way bigger. I don't want to get too close. They probably have a nest somewhere, but they're letting me get kind of close. So check this out, guys. That's them. That's our house. So they've been yelling at each other all day. Yelling at each other all day. Oh shoot, I think they're beefing. It's about to go down at the Stay Rat house. Oh yeah, you guys don't want that smoke. Those are the Stay Rat ones. Oh, they flew down. They're coming for you.